Maybe I could try to get some coffee or something. Let's see. Hello, how are you? Zdravo. Yeah, I was walking by and it seems like your store looks interesting. So I'm like, let me check it out. Yeah. So yeah, just walked into a coffee shop. Looks interesting with some good music. So maybe I'll have some coffee and I'll head back to the car. All right, people. So earlier I showed you guys I just walked into this cafe, which looked amazing as I was passing by. So it's called Moon Cafe, Moon Cafe Sarajevo. All right. So y'all want to might remember that if you come visit Sarajevo, it seems like a cool place. Very good service. People are friendly. Nice sitting area. Probably an upstairs place as well. So I just ordered something pretty simple, like a dessert, like a sweet dessert, which is brownie chocoladem. Chocoladem is like with chocolate. So this is what we have. It looks amazing, pretty amazing with strawberry and well presented, I would say. Definitely give a 5-star for that. And they did give me this is a traditional Bosnian coffee served with sugar cubes, and I've heard that sugar is a common thing here. They consume a lot of sugar with their coffee, tea, it might be. So that's what's up. Well, let's dig in and see, give it a try, how it is. All right. All right, let's give it the first bite. Pretty smooth and soft. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Definitely unique in its sense. A little bit dry, but tastes very good. Yeah, that's what's up. So I'll catch you guys next.